Okay, hello, welcome back to Ballroom Feed. Today we're going to be talking about what is wedding waltz specifically. So wedding waltz is just a more casual version of what's known as the American waltz. So we have the kind of more technical side with rise and fall, things like that, where the wedding waltz is much more casual. You could do rise and fall if you wanted to, but it's totally unnecessary if you're just learning it for your wedding dance and want it to look a little more casual and intimate. So the wedding waltz typically will have a lower frame. We're looking at each other, where in the American smooth version of waltz, you'd have a much bigger frame and you would be looking off to your left or through your windows away from each other. And in the American smooth style, you'll see it much bigger steps. Obviously, I mentioned the rise and fall already, whereas the wedding waltz, we tried to make it as comfortable and as casual as possible. That way any beginner could learn it and dance it successfully. So therefore the step size is going to be much more natural and kind of like simulating how big of a step you would take in everyday life is kind of the goal. We also didn't really do rise and fall at all, so it's just walking steps throughout. Again, we tried to simulate natural movement, that way it wasn't too crazy and awkward. So we wanted to make it less stiff and foreign for wedding couples who just wanted to learn how to dance for their wedding and not necessarily, learn how to do all the technical aspects that the American smooth waltz would require to dance well. Really, it's just making it more casual and less technical, but there's no difference in terms of like what it is. You can still dance it to the regular waltz music. We have a waltz playlist down below if you want to check it out, or if you have any questions whether or not your dance would work with the waltz or maybe a different version or style of wedding dances, comment it down below and we'll answer that for you. I hope this cleared it up, and if you want to learn the waltz for your wedding dance, you can also follow the links and head to our website down below and check it out. A whole bunch of other stuff on there. If not, subscribe here and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.